Hello, Doplac people. Ever feel like your to-do list is taking over your life? Okay, just sit back. I'm Tanzil from Doplac.com, and today I'm gonna dive into a super game-changing tool for your productivity, Doplac Task Management. We know that a well-organized task list means less stress, more productivity, and more time for the things most matter. So for that, Doplac Task Management Tool could be your sidekick for staying organized and top of your task. It's got a sleeky interface, easy to use, customizable task lists, and awesome collaboration features gonna help you boost your productivity. So let's get ready to take your productivity to the next level with Doplac Task Management Tool. Simply go to your Doplac account and then click on Task Management, click on Project, and this is the page you will be taken to, as all the projects I have created before are available for you can find if you have any project. So just you can click on the menu to copy the link, rename your project, choose your color, share your project, and delete your project. To delete your project, click on delete, and then you have to write down delete here to confirm delete. It seems like a two-step verification. Actually, I think it will help our user to prevent any kind of unfortunate mistakes. So if you want to delete, then you have to write down delete here and then click on delete to delete any project. Okay, and to create a new project, just click add project, give your project a name. I'm giving you demo project. Okay, and here you have to choose your project privacy. If you choose public, then all of your team member will be able to access the project, and if you choose this private, then you're the only person who can access the project. Okay, and there it is. You have to choose your view, which way you want to be your project. So I think board would be better for me. Okay, create project, and here it is. My project is ready. Okay, so I'm gonna assign my first task. Okay, first task I have assigned, and I'm gonna add a new task here too. Okay, that's a two tasks actually I have assigned. Then just click on your task. You can assign your team member here. I'm gonna assign Shajib Rahman for this task. I'm gonna set the start date from here, I think 13 February. I'm gonna select the due date, 15 February, and here is the status is to do. Okay, you have to write down your description here, your project description or task description, whatever you have. And if you have any special comment about your task, then you can do it here. Even also your team member and you use it as a chat box. Both you guys can chat here. You can write down anything here and send it to your team member. Okay, when you're ready, just click on outside, and then that's it. Your task is ready. You can process your task. You can check out your task process. You can track your everything from here. So it's that simple. It's super user friendly, no complicated setup or confusing interface. Just super productivity, please. So it's all for today. If you have any question or want to share your project management success, leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more updates from Doplac.com. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.